for migrant workers. For this, I propose to allow tax exemption for notified affordable rental housing projects. Tax incentives to IFSC. As I mentioned,
31 मार्च 2022 तक
the government is committed
टैक्स हॉलिडे की सुविधा अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग वालों को दी जा रही है। यानी जो लोग अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग बना रहे हैं उन्हें 31 मार्च 2022 तक टैक्स हॉलिडे।
Among others, tax holiday for capital gains for aircraft leasing
जो
companies.
किराए के घर हैं, रेंटल घर हैं,
Tax exemption for aircraft lease rentals paid to foreign lessors. Tax incentive
उसे
for
आसान बनाने के
relocating
लिए उस
foreign
दिशा में हम
funds
कुछ
in
काम
the
कर रहे हैं।
IFSC, and to allow tax exemption to the investment division of foreign banks located in the IFSC. Pre-filling of returns. Honorable Speaker, in order to ease
एयरक्राफ्ट लीज
compliance for the
करने
taxpayer,
वाली कंपनियों को
details of salary
कैपिटल
income,
गेट में टैक्स का एग्जेम्पशन दिया जाएगा।
TDS, etc., already come pre-filled in income tax returns. To further ease filing of returns, details
इसी तरह
of
से
capital gains from
कुछ
listed
अन्य कंपनियों को भी
securities,
इससे जोड़ा जाएगा।
dividend income, and interest from banks, post office, etc., will also be now pre-filled. Relief to small trusts. We hope to reduce compliance burden on small charitable trusts running educational institutions and hospitals. So far, there is a blanket exemption to such entities whose annual receipt does not exceed 1 crore of rupees. I now propose to increase this amount to 5 crores. Labor welfare. We have noticed that some employers deduct the contribution of employees toward provident funds, superannuation funds, and other social security funds, but do not deposit these contributions within the specified time. For these employees, this means a
1 लाख
loss
करोड़
of
से ज्यादा का
interest
चंदा
or income.
जिन्हें
In
ट्रस्ट के जरिए
cases
मिलता है
where
उन्हें
an
अभी तक हमने
employer
ब्लैंकेट एग्जेम्पशन दिया
later
था,
becomes financially
लेकिन-
unviable, non-deposit results in a
लेकिन अब इस
permanent
पर-
loss for the employees.
लेकिन इसे अब
In
मैं
order
बढ़ाने
to
की बात
ensure
कर रही हूँ।
that employees' contributions are deposited on time, I reiterate that the late deposit of employees' contribution by the employer will not be allowed as deduction to the employer.
बहुत से जो एम्प्लॉयर्स होते हैं
Incentives for
वो अपने
startups.
एम्प्लॉइज के खाते में वक्त पे
In order to
उनके हिस्से की
incentivize
रकम जमा
startups
नहीं कराते।
in the country, I propose to extend the eligibility for claiming tax holiday
उसका नुकसान
for
उन श्रमिकों
startups
को
by
हो जाता
one
है।
more year till 31st March 2020.
अगर कोई नौकरीदाता है
Further, in order to incentivize funding for the startups, I
और
propose
बाद
to
में
extend the capital gains
उसकी
for
वित्तीय
investment
स्थिति
in
खराब
startups
होती है,
by
वो
one
देर
more
से
year
अपने एम्प्लॉय
till
के
31st March.
अकाउंट में पैसा डालता है।
Sir, I now come to indirect tax proposals. GST.
तो उसे
Before I come to my indirect tax proposals, I would like to appraise the House on GST. The GST
उस
is
पर
now 4 years
उस
old,
पर भी कार्रवाई
and we
करने
have
पर
taken several
हम अमल
measures
कर रहे हैं।
to further simplify it. Some of the